I am videos live. You know, it's one of those long rainy days out here, so just wanted to show you the inside, insider's thing of what real Hollywood actors do in their dressing rooms. So I'm posted up here. Got my stuff out. I've been reading a little our daily bread. Yeah, actors, we do that too. You know, we read. We don't also just read our lines. You know, we ain't just reading lines in here. We also read God's word. So it's all about God's word. You know, make sure you stay focused. All this little Hollywood stuff don't mean nothing unless you got the Most High and putting Him first. You know, and y'all already know I told. Hollywood, baby. You better not tell nobody you seen it somewhere else first. Say it with me. On a rainy day, baby. Still getting it in, baby. I'm gonna take me a nap, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all later, though. This is Hollywood, baby. C-U-T. Holly! Wizzy! I'm out. Cutter!